Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make your subject pop for your wallpaper. So this trick transforms a regular photo into something eye-catching by separating the subject from the background. The Samsung's built-in photo editor lets you tap and hold on your subject and basically isolates the background and the foreground. However, you can do this on the lock screen. So you can basically make it look like the subject is floating above the background or certain shapes, and this effect creates a sense of depth, making your wallpaper feel alive, almost like it's part of the interface itself. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and long press on the home screen, tap wallpaper and style, and here we'll go ahead and tap on our lock screen. We'll go ahead and tap on wallpapers, and we'll go ahead and choose a wallpaper. So for example, this dog picture here. So as you can see, I've chosen a dog picture here. Now down here, you'll see the frame option. Tap on this. And now you can go ahead and choose all these different frames. So I'll go ahead and choose a heart. Now, as you can see, Samsung has detected a subject and it has basically isolated the subject from the background. You can see the dog has come on top of the heart frame. However, you can go ahead and increase this so that it appears just behind the clock, or you can go ahead and just put it down here. So this way it makes your subject pop for your wallpaper. You can go ahead and choose all these different colors, and you can go ahead and experiment what you like. You can even choose different color backgrounds if you like to match your current subject. With the effect tab, you can go ahead and choose blur, background blur, grayscale, grayscale background, custom background, dark background, and so on. Now, once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap on apply. And this will apply that lock screen wallpaper for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this gives your phone a unique, personalized look, makes subject in your photo stand out dramatically, and no need for complicated photo editing apps. So there you go, guys. That is how to make your subject pop for your wallpaper on your lock screen.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.